Yo guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to add like this Snapchat, Instagram and like Twitter shoutouts. So the first thing is the ding effect. Like, or just the one that I have. Ding sound effect. Just search that up. I'm pretty sure it's the one that I have. Yeah, or just go ahead, download it by copy and pasting it. Go to this website. Online, it'll be in the description down below. Just download it and then add it to your editor. Mine is Camtasia Studio. So I just have like a plug thing that I use. I'm going to be using. So yeah, okay, so quick flow, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, links in the description. I'm on the screen right now. Go follow me. So there's my plug, and then where it says quick flow, Snapchat, so right here with a ding sound and copy it. Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. Okay. So now, you can do this like just on the video overlay. So now, get a Snapchat logo. I guess first one will do. I have to save the image. Just save it to the desktop. Yeah, I don't know why that happened. Anyway, let's just get it. No, that's transparent. Oh, this one. There we go. Get that. Add it to the video. Yeah, okay, so quick flow. So I just copy it right here. Snapchat, Instagram. And Instagram logo, a black background. Okay, let's here we go. This Instagram. Twitter. Here, let's get a different one actually. It's on a black background. It's gotta be black. I would Photoshop it, but that'd take too much time. No, it's just white. Let's just do this. I don't know. I'm just copy the image. It just copies the things out. There we go. Okay, let's But anyway, I think it doesn't matter. Twitter. But, oh crap. Links in the description and on the screen. Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. Let's go Twitter. I'm sure if you put more time, you'll probably find better one. I'm just doing it for this tutorial. Okay, let's just do this. Yes. There we go. And then right here, Twitter. Snapchat. Yeah, okay, so quick below, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. There. And then you just gotta add names of them. So my Snapchat is I'd like to pay 16. Put in white writing. Okay, the text gotta be bigger. There, that's big enough. And then my Twitter. I actually don't know my Twitter. Let me go check that right now. Twitter. On Twitter I have about almost 1,000 followers. Oh, 934. John like level 1, 2. There we go. And add another one. Sean Blake 31. Let me make sure that's right. Yeah, it is 400. And if you want, just add like let's, yeah, you can just add like a screenshot of like your sub code here, and your Instagram, and then your Twitter. So that's all I have for this video. Make sure to go like, comment, and subscribe. Peace. Yo, okay, so quick plug. Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Links in the description and on the screen right now. Go follow me.